For those of us that like to keep the car clean, this is the wall-mounted vacuum from BLAHST. Being wall-mounted makes it convenient and out of the way in your garage. It has an 8-metre hose, nozzles and plenty of suction. You can reach all sides of the car, get into every nook and cranny, and it cleans wet and dry messes as well, thanks to that 30-litre bagless tank. Now the vac features a HEPA filter inside. That means all the dust that you suck out of your carpet and upholstery won't get airborne, so that's better for your garage, your house and your health. And as I mentioned, being a bagless cleaner, it's very simple to empty after you finish cleaning up. And when you finish cleaning, you can hang the hose up on that included hanger. It all sits there on the wall of your garage, nice and neat, out of the way, but easy to access next time you want to clean the car, the boat, the caravan or camper. Whatever you drive, cleaning just got a whole lot easier. That's the BLAHST wall-mounted vacuum. It's available exclusively at Sydney Tools stores, so race into your local Sydney Tools store today, or head over to our website for the full specs. To order online, if you've got any questions, as always, hit me up in the doobly-doo down below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.